Okay, so let's just try this one more time, okay? So we have comments, and comments are good for two things. One is letting someone know something. Like that. But it's also a good way to just see what code looks like, without having to delete it. So you can comment out code like this, and it's a very, very easy way to do it. And you don't have to do it on the same page. You can actually do it higher. So let's take this one, let's cut it, and then let's paste it up here and see what happens. So in Sublime, so if we were to save this and we were to pop back up our, oh, what page is it? So we're going to see nothing, okay? So now, because everything's commented out. So now, let's cut this one more time, put it right here, save it, and then let's refresh the page. There we go. Now we only get these two. So now, let's start making our web page app. Let's just do a simple pics page. It's just going to show some images and such. We'll do that. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to have our we're going to start with, and this again is just taken straight from our HTML example. So you could copy and paste this. I do not recommend doing this because it just helps with muscle memory. So then the tags that we're not used to is title and P. So let's take a look at title, and we can find it here. Let's see. Ooh, can we see it in here? Let's Control F. Title. Okay, we got that, and it looks like there's only 3. So then let's go to our Mozilla site, search title, scroll down, there it is. So let's click on that. Okay, so it says HTML title element defines the title document shown in the browser's title bar on the Pages tab. It can only contain text, and contain tags are not appropriate. So right here where it says HTML tutorial, that must be what they're talking about, right? Because if we read this one more time, it says defines the title of the document shown in the browser's title bar. So this is the title bar. So right now it just says index.html, so that must be a default. So let's continue with this. So we need to have a HTML tag on either side. Let's get some space on here. So now we have that. Now in the HTML tag we have to put our head. We got to close it. Don't forget to close it. And then we put in a title. You don't have to, of course. You saw what the results of not putting it in there. It just tells you the file name, so it might be nice to have that in there. My pic site. Okay. So now let's save it, and now let's hit refresh and see what happens. So now you see it's changed to my pic site. So the title did exactly what we wanted it to.